What's going to happen with the market, I can't tell you, but I can tell you our country has gotten a lot stronger. And eventually, it'll be a country like no other. It'll be the most dominant country economically in the world.
Is there pain in the market at some point? You're unwilling to tolerate this idea of a Trump put? Is there a threshold?
I think your question is so stupid. I mean, I think I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something.
Global stocks plunged again on Monday morning. Japan's Nikkei index led the tumble, falling close to 9% from the open before recovering some ground. Lenders were hardest hit, with the country's bank stocks index falling 17% from the open before it too clawed back some losses. Hong Kong then opened with similar falls. Megabank HSBC plunged 15% out of the gate. Lenders have been hard hit by mounting fears of a global recession sparked by Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs. And in Taiwan, the market circuit breaker triggered after shares in tech giants TSMC and Foxconn both fell 10%. On Sunday, the US president indicated he wouldn't change course in response to huge market losses.
I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something.
Trump said he wouldn't do a deal with China until the US trade deficit is sorted out, and he set tough conditions for talks with the EU.
They are coming to the table, they want to talk, but there's no talk unless they pay us a lot of money on a yearly basis.
On Monday morning, futures pointed to another bad week ahead for Wall Street. US stocks have already shed close to $6 trillion in value. Oil prices are tumbling too, amid fears a recession could cut demand. International benchmark Brent crude was down around 2% by mid-morning Monday, following a 7% decline at the end of last week. The economic fears may only deepen this week, with signs of more retaliation to come from US trading partners. The EU is widely expected to announce its response, likely to feature tariffs on US goods ranging from diamonds to dental floss. China has already set its own steep retaliatory tariffs. The turmoil has investors expecting more US rate cuts, with some betting on a move next month. However, that could be complicated by any sign that inflation is picking up due to the tariffs, with this week's US consumer prices number now very closely watched.